Relax, si Lord ng mga Santo, ang bahala sa atin, returns this simbang gabi 2025. This December 16, we begin again. Not because faith is easy, but because it is necessary. Simbang Gabi has always been a journey of waking up early, showing up tired, and trusting that God meets us exactly where we are. This year, I'm bringing back that journey through this podcast for anyone praying, and we would like to thank everyone who's listening from the Philippines, Canada, the United States, France, Turkey, and maybe hopefully in our comeback this December 16, we will be expanding our countries wherever life has taken you. Whether it's dawn, night, or quiet moments in between, this space is for you. From Simbang Gabi and Misa de Gallo through Christmas, leading all the way to the Feast of the Baptism of the Lord, which we will be celebrating our first year anniversary, and that will be happening on January 11, 2026. We'll walk together with short reflections, faith-filled pauses, and gentle prayers for everyday life. No pressure, no perfect words, just faith, rest, and honest surrender. If you've been tired in your faith, if you've been distant but still believing, if you're beginning again, this is your sign. Relax, si Lord ng mga Santo, ang bahala sa atin, returns December 16, 2025. Let's wake up for God together.